In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable with Twitch. To get started, open your browser and head to the Lovable dashboard at lovable.dev. If you aren't signed in yet, log into your Lovable account using your usual credentials or single sign-on. Make sure you're signing into the workspace where you actually want the Twitch connection to live. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, also labeled Home. From Home, look for the Settings option, typically represented by a gear icon in the sidebar. Click it to open your account settings. Inside Settings, find the Connectors or Integrations area. This is where Lovable keeps all the services you can link to your account. Use the search field and type Twitch. You should see Twitch appear in the results. Click Twitch to open its connector page, then choose Add Connection. This prepares Lovable to talk to your Twitch account through a secure authorization flow. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the advanced settings on this page. Here, you can see and adjust what the integration may access, such as your email on file, channel subscriptions, followers, and the ability to send chat messages. These permissions enable key features like pulling community data into Lovable or interacting with your chat, so choose only what you're comfortable granting. When you're ready, click Connect. A confirmation prompt will appear. Select Yes, Connect to continue. At this point, you'll be redirected to Twitch or a pop-up will open asking you to sign in. Enter your Twitch credentials if you're not already logged in, and make sure the correct Twitch channel is selected, especially if you manage more than one. Twitch will display the exact permissions the Lovable connector is requesting. Read them carefully, then authorize to finalize the link. After authorization succeeds, you'll be returned to Lovable. The Twitch connector page should now show your new connection, typically with a status that indicates it's active. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. If your browser blocked the authorization pop-up, allow pop-ups for Lovable and try again. That's all it takes to connect Lovable with Twitch. You can revisit settings in the connectors section at any time to edit permissions, add another Twitch connection, or disconnect if your needs change. Thanks for watching and enjoy integrating your Twitch presence with Lovable.